What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play La La Land by Bryce. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial, or else I'll backflip kick you in the neck. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Now, I hope I don't mess this username up, but this song was a specific request from username PhenoOlifine9, so I just wanted to say big shout! Big shouts! Again, keep sending me all your requests, guys. I'm trying to get to as many of them as possible. So for this song, you're starting out in standard tuning and you're going to capo up to the 4th fret. You're only using 4 different chords, and if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the description below. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's 100% free. It's a great resource for all of you beginners, intermediate, and even advanced players, and it's got all the major chord diagrams in there, so if you need it, once you get done with the video, jump into the description, check it out, it's there for you. The chords that you're using are going to be E minor, 022000, then you're going to go C major, which is 032010, then you're going to go G major, which is 320003, and then finally A minor, 002210. Now those 4 chords do just repeat throughout the entire song, but I will show you a little picking pattern that I think is the closest that you're going to get to the actual instrument that's in the song. So you're going to start with that E minor chord, and you're going to pick your low E with your thumb, and your B string with your ring finger, and you're going to hammer on to the 1st fret of the B string and then hammer on to the 3rd fret of the B string. So 1, 2, 3. Pick them both at the same time and then hammer on to 1 and 3. And then you're going to go to that C chord and you're just going to pick the A string, D string, and G string all at the same time. So again, that's A string, D string, G string all at the same time. Then you're going to go to that G chord and you're going to pick the low E with your thumb, B string with your ring finger, and the G string with your middle finger. You're just picking all 3 of those at the same time twice. Then you're going to go to A minor, and you're going to pick the A string with your thumb. Then you're going to keep your ring and your middle finger on the B and the G string, and you're just picking all those one time. So again, for your G, it's low E with your thumb, middle fingers on the G string, ring fingers on the B string twice. Then for the A minor, thumb goes to the A string, middle finger stays on the G string, ring finger stays on the B string for one time. Now, as always, I will have a tab for this in the description if you need that, but I'm going to play through this super slowly a few times so you can really see what it looks like. If you need to watch this a few more times, just back up, rewatch this as many times as you need, or if the tab helps you, it will be in the description for you. So here we go, I'm going to play through it a few times for you. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now, the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free, it'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.